maintenance out here. You guys see in the background. We got the Hawks Thunder 25 grain pellets. Just gonna see how well they group, see what happens with them. Down here, gonna do the Durango also. At about 25 yards. Again, this isn't sighted in for these, so it won't be as far as accuracy, but just grouping. Nice humid day. Alright, here we go. You got the Benjamin Titan, the nitro piston at 25 yards. These are those Hawks, or those 25 grains. Just seeing what we got. 1, 2, 3. Well, let's just take a look. We got them. Got my square. They're within 1.5 inches. So at 25 yards with the Springer, big pellets like that, it's not too bad. Gonna back it up to 50, about 50, and see if we can even hit paper or what we can do at 50. So stay tuned. All right, here we go. It's nice and hot out here. We did the distance. We're out roughly 50 yards. It might be a little shy, not by much. Just gonna see if we can even hit paper with these 25 grain. Does not look like it. And there are so many holes in that paper, it's hard to tell what we're doing. Oh, okay. We're actually hitting high. You can see, I mean, right now this don't look too promising at 50 yards. It is what it is.